Hello everyone, my name is Vinay, and today I will share you the book Exploring Our World. The first part, Exploring. 1,000 years ago, early people knew about only a very small part of the world. Today we know a lot more, and some of our information comes from explorers. Why did people explore? Early people traveled around to find food and water. Most explorers travel because they are curious and want to discover new places and to learn new things. Some early explorers hoped to get rich by discovering new plants, animals, or treasures and by selling them when they got home. Where do people explore? Early explorers want to find new places or people. They crossed land and explored deserts, forests, rivers, and mountains. Then they started to explore the oceans. Some try to find a different route or look for new ways to travel. Others want to be the youngest, the fastest, or the first to do something. For example, climbing a mountain. How do people explore? Early explorers used the stars to find their way. Explorers wanted to share what they found, so they wrote about their journeys and made maps. About 2,200 years ago, Chinese people invented the compass. A compass always points north, so it tells you where to go. Why is exploring important? Information from some early explorers has helped people to make maps to show what the world is like. Explorers have learned about new plants and animals, discovered new materials, and learned new languages. They have also discovered inventions and different ways of doing things. The next part is 7. Mountains. Mountains cover about 25% of Earth. They are made of rocks and soil, so they are much higher than the land around them. They form when underground plates crash together and push the land up. This takes millions of years. The longest mountain chain is under the ocean. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge under the Atlantic Ocean is about 16,000 kilometers long. The longest mountain chain on land is the Andes in South America. Why do people explore mountains? Some mountain explorers have found metals like gold, silver, copper, and tin. They have also found precious stones like rubies and emeralds. Mountain archaeologists look for ancient remains on the top of mountains. In 1999, Constanza Cerruti from Argentina was exploring a 6,739 meters high at the top of a volcano between Argentina and Chile. She and her partner found food pots, gold and silver statues, and 3 Inca mummies that were 500 years old. Mountain explorers. Mountain explorers often want to be the first to climb a mountain. A Frenchman climbed Mont Aiguille in the Alps in 1492. Later, some people gave explorers money to climb mountains to see what was there. Michael Gabriel Paccard and Jacques Balmat climbed Mont Blanc for a prize in 1786. The first people to get to the top of Mount Everest was Edmund Hillary from New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay from Nepal in 1953. About 2,000 people have climbed to the top of Everest, but more than 200 of them never returned. Modern explorers try and find new ways to climb it. Did you know that the youngest person to climb Everest is a Nepalese girl called Minkipa Sherba? She climbed it with her brother and sister in 2003 when she was just 15 years old. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.